Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show and explain a little bit about what the 4XX pages are that we show within the reporting feature of our SEO tools. Now if we focus on the indexation section, by collapsing all of the other data that we show within this tab, because there's quite a bit of this data, you can see that there's various aspects that all affect indexation. We cover all of these in a lot more depth in other videos, but in this video we're going to look at the 4XX pages. Now we've given a red thermometer next to this which says that it's a serious error. We say this because all 404 pages, whether they're a 404 or any type of 4XX page, basically means that that page is inaccessible. Typically you don't want these pages on your site, and they prevent the users from being able to access them. They also prevent robots from being able to access them as well. Now in this page we also show the number of 4XX pages that were identified during the latest crawl and the previous crawl, as well as the difference between those two crawls. Now in order to see these pages, you can click on the number itself and it'll show you all of those pages. We have a drop down to show you how many you want to see on any particular page, and if you have more than that, there'll be pagination at the bottom. And the status code provides you with the specific status code of this page. 404 is the most likely status code that you're going to get. Now on large sites, 404 pages creep in all the time as URLs change and the overall site structure changes. So anyway, that's what a 4XX page is, and that's how it works, and that's why we show it to you. Thanks for watching.